Hello world, here is Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. And in this video, we will take a look about EOS. A nice member of my community asked me, Biti, please check EOS or EOS. Yes, here it is. Here is EOS USD or USDT. Let's check it now. You can see this is the daily chart, and this is starting with June of 2018, and we will check it now together. The first thing here on this chart is we will make a Fibonacci retracement via retracement. You can see it here from the highest point here at 15 US dollar momently to the lowest point here on, let me check, $1.30. EOS is momently on $4.27. So this is a very big retracement, and here we can make very nicely a Fibonacci line from the up line, from the highest point here to the lowest point here on the downside, like this. Here was the lowest point, not correctly. This is now better. So this is the Fibonacci retracement, and we can see since long time, since a lot of months here, EOS is here on this downside on or under the 23.6% Fibonacci line. You can see it. This is on the daily chart the biggest resistance momently for EOS. This is on $4.73. You can see it here on the right side. Let's check indicators. Let's check the MACD. What's going on there with EOS, with the MACD? Here it is, and the MACD on the daily chart is bullish. You can see it. The blue line is very nicely over the brown line. That's a very bullish MACD. Now let's turn off the MACD, or just we can put it on, or we can let it on. We are watching now at the 4-hour chart here. This is the 4-hour chart, and on the 4-hour chart we have a bearish MACD. You can see the blue line is under the brown line, and that's a bearish thing. So this is the 4-hour chart. In the 4-hour chart we have here a nice uptrend channel. We can draw it here with the uptrend channel from the downside here on this point over this point to the upside, like this here. An uptrend channel is always green, and now our channel is green. And so we can see here the next big resistance. Yes, you know it, guys, the middle line of an uptrend or a downtrend is always acting as support or resistance, and in this opinion it is a resistance. So what is the big thing to watch now for EOS? Let me check it. So you can see if you take a price target here on this of the Fibonacci, we have the price label here on $4.70. That's the big resistance. Also, the next big resistance is this red line here, the middle line of our uptrend. Also, we can draw another thing, guys. We can draw a downtrend channel from the upside here to the downside. This is our momently downtrend. You can see we have a big uptrend for the higher time frame, and we have a downtrend, a bearish downtrend on the lower time frame here on the 4-hour chart, like this. Here we have a good support line. That's the middle line of this channel, of this bearish channel. That's the red channel, and that's our good support, and the support is always green. So now we can see we are acting between support here on the downside. This is momently here at like this $3.50. That's the support on the downside, and the resistance on the upside, it's $4.70. And in this price range now we're acting momently. What is the next big thing we can watch? MACD is bearish. Okay, fine. Let's check the ribbon band. What's going on here on the very important 4-hour time frame with the ribbon band? That's the wrong ribbon band. That's the right one. Sorry. No, that's the wrong ribbon band. Let's erase that ribbon band and still type in ribbon. And we need the ribbon band from Domenico. This is one of the best things in my opinion here on TradingView, and you can see it here. So we have now a good view. We have a nice long position since here. We have a EMA 200 line as a support, this orange line here working as great support. We see a spike down again, and now mooning or pumping EOS, and we see The ribbon band is our friend. Momently, it's our support. That's very nice for trading. As long as this ribbon band is our support, everything is nice, everything is possible. Now, let's go deeper. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. Here we are. 1 hour chart is not so perfect, but it's looking nice. Let's take a look. Let's have a look about this. This is the EMA 200. This is the orange line. This is our support. Perfect. Yes, we have a green ribbon band turned into a red one. We had a short position, but now the ribbon band is also turning, still turning into a green one, and that's the good thing. Now it's our support again. So on the 1 hour chart, it's looking not so bad momently. Okay, now guys, what can we check? What else can we check here? Let's zoom out a little bit. We have here on the 1 hour chart also a very nice uptrend. We can draw a line here from the lowest point over this lowest point here to the upside like this. And this is in the short term now our uptrend. And you can see in this short term we are here over the middle line. The middle line is also working as resistance or support. You can see it here and here. And EOS is over the middle line, and that's working very nice here. So let's zoom out. What's going on more? What can we see here more? On the 1 hour time frame, we can also try one thing. We can also make a Fibonacci retracement. Why? Here was the highest point. We have a lowest point, a retracement, and now it's going up again. So also in the 1 hour chart, we can make from the highest point to the lowest point a Fibonacci retracement line. And now you can see Biti is completely crazy. You can see a lot of colorful things, but let's check these things. They are not so unimportant here. We have a good support line at 38%. Very nice, but we have a resistance at 50%. You can see EOS is now fighting between these Fibonacci lines. In my opinion, here the near future for EOS, it's very nicely to see EOS growing here. Maybe EOS may fight back this 50% line. It's going to the upside like this here, and then we have a big problem because we have here our big resistance line, the red resistance line. We have also a big resistance line here. This is the red resistance line of this, the middle line of this uptrend. So we have some problems here at this point, and EOS must or should fight against this. Then we may see some more targets here. The perfect thing is the golden pocket here. Look at this, 78.6%. EOS must fight against this 5 hour resistance. In this opinion, EOS can move on, or EOS can moon here, and that would be a very nice thing to watch, in my opinion. So guys, that's it for EOS. But no, we have to look at one thing else, Bitcoin versus EOS. What's going on? Or EOS versus Bitcoin. Let's check this, guys. Let's check this. What's going on here with EOS versus Bitcoin? That's an important thing if we are trading EOS. Why? Because we should make more profit with trading EOS as Bitcoin. And you can see here a very interesting thing here. We are turning off the ribbon band for the moment. This is the 1 hour chart, and we have here a very big downgoing bearish parallel channel from maybe this point, like this point to this point. You can see this is a bearish trend channel. The bearish is always red. Now guys, the important thing to watch now is this point here. We have this resistance. EOS must beat this big resistance now. This is our big middle line resistance, and EOS has to beat this line if we will see a push here to the upside. You can see on the short time frame we have a nice uptrend. We have this uptrend here. That's working very nicely. We are momently on a very important peak here, a very important stuff to watch. This is this here. This is the middle line. This is the price. This is the thing. EOS must fight against Bitcoin and must fight back over the middle line in this downtrend. That's the first thing. The next big thing is, if this is possible for EOS to fight over this middle line, we have to see a breakout of the downtrend. That's the important thing to trade EOS. So momently, in my opinion, it's not perfect to trade EOS. I would wait for a breakout over this middle line for the first thing, and I would wait also for a breakout over this downtrend, over this bearish downtrend for trading EOS here. So guys, that's it. That's the TA for EOS for today. I wish you the best of luck. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there, guys. Very important, I am not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And please, guys, visit my live streaming on Twitch TV. The name is Crypto Trading Informant Channel. It's streaming in full HD, and this is it. You have a lot of sell and buy signals there from some of these big cryptos like Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, XLM, ADA, BNB, DOT, IOTA, or XRP. EOS is not there, but another 9 coins with live signals, short, long, sell, buy. Guys, thanks for watching. Greetings, yours Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.